It's day 3 with my bees and temperatures in the hundreds. I made a screen bottom board for the bees because they were not flying a whole lot and doing a lot of fanning. So I made that, installed it, and here's what it looked. If you can see it, it's pretty purple. Oh, and I also opened up the access so more bees could come in and out. And the screen bottom board, the bottom board is out. It's right there. And underneath, if I can get a picture of this, I don't know if you can see that very good, but that's what it looks like underneath, so they get plenty of air. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video.